My name is Sandra Nyqvist. I work for Unident. We have all of our AP in Medius, and we work through the process to capture the invoice, to match it with our purchase orders, and of course the normal expense invoices that go for approval. We can search in our files to see old invoices in an easy way. We don't have to keep the paper copies to search for, and it also helps us to match our purchase orders with our invoices and don't have to do that manually. Unident is a continuously growing company, and we really need to improve our processes and make everything more automatic. Yes, Medius has worked great with our automation, and it helps us to be efficient. I would recommend Medius to other companies. I think it's a great tool for us, and it's great.